Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch on a flashlight on LENOVO Tab P12. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Then, here, search for the flashlight. You can swipe down again to reveal more shortcuts with the labels. And I can find a flashlight, but before I'll turn it on, I'll show you how to put a flashlight here if you don't have it. Click on this edit button, then these ones are not added to the list. So to add one, just drag it to a desired place, and then you can see that I have power off here. I'm gonna use the flashlight. When it's orange, that means that the flashlight is on. When I click on it again, the flashlight is off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.